Hey guys, how are y'all today? This is take 2 of the video that I tried to have out for today. The first one, I don't know what's wrong with it, but it will not upload, so I'm starting all over again at 4:30 on Friday afternoon. So I'm sorry y'all, it didn't get out on time, but I have been sick all week. I've been home most of the week, and the video I was trying to put out looked like crap anyway, so this one may not be any better. I just got home from work, you know, hair and ponytail, makeup is gone, but oh well, life happens, right? Update on my brother-in-law, Jim. He is out of ICU. They last night put him up on another floor. It's called a long-term floor. They have given him a trach. They have given him a feeding tube. He is given thumbs up. He's opening his eyes. He's wiggling his feet. But he hasn't talked yet. So I don't know if it was from where that ventilator was in and his throat is swollen maybe. But I mean, it all looks pretty good so far. We haven't been up there this week because I've been sick with the flu or whatever it is. I don't know. So we haven't actually put our physical eyes on him this week to see for ourselves what we think. We're just getting what people are sending us, family, you know, that has been up there staying with him, what they have sent to us telling us for updates. So what I had on this video was a couple of vignettes. So I guess I'll give you just what it looks like now because it's already decorated. So this video is going to be even shorter than what it was before. So I will take y'all in there and we are going to do the 3 tables. And I'll show you what it looks like already decorated. Sorry guys. Hold on. Okay, these lamps came from Walmart, and if you're looking for any, they've got them for a pretty good price up there. These came, I think they were $15 a piece on clearance, and that was not with the shade. The shade, I believe, was $19. So in the middle, I've got this cake stand, and it came from Ross for $11.99. I'm just gonna put it down to elevate just a little bit. And then I'm gonna do that bird cage, and this is the bottom. This is the bottom tray. I'm just gonna set it there in the middle. Push it down. And then in the middle of that, I've got this, and it already had the bow on it. I didn't take it off. This came from Pier 1 for $14.99. I got it last year. But I'm just gonna put it here in the middle. And then I'm gonna take some of my greenery, and I've just split it in half, and I'm just gonna wrap it around. Kind of like that. And then I've got some of these smaller balls, and I'm just gonna set those in the grass, and the greenery. Gonna set it around like that. And then I'm gonna put this pot on the stand. This came from Marshall's and it was $9.99. I thought it was really cute. I'm just gonna set it there on top. And then I'm gonna put the top of my cage on. I already had the bow on it. And I'm just gonna sit it on here. And then I gotta kind of push everything under there. There. So that's all of that one. So now we're gonna move to the second one, so hold on. Okay, now we're gonna do this corner. And I've got, you can't see it down here. Let me show you. There you go, see that? I'm gonna set this bucket on it. And I just found some greenery back there in my stash and just set that in it. And I'm gonna set it over here on this stool, just like that. And then to that, I've got this candle holder that I got at Big Lots. I got 2 of them, if you remember when I got that. And I'm gonna set one on each side, and I've got some greenery. Just kind of fluff it up. I've got one for the other side. And then I've got my metal cowl. I got it from Hobby Lobby. It's metal on this side, wood on this side. It came from the spring shop. It was $7.99. I thought it was real cute. It says Home Sweet Home. And that's all for that one. So now we'll go to the dining room and we'll do that table. Okay, you'll just have to look over my lovely assistant back there. That's my beautiful daughter, Jessie. And of course, y'all know Major. But to this table, we're going to add this scale. And I got it at Kirkland's. And I got it last year's. And I think they've still got some, but it's a little bit of a different style. And then I've got my buffalo check runner down. And so to this, I'm going to add these little rings that I got from Joann's. They were $12.99, buy one, get one half off. So I'm going to put one on each side. My assistant's laying down on the job over there. She ain't even over here helping me.
You didn't tell me to help you.
Put that on that side. It already looks pretty cute like that, doesn't it? Needs a little bird in there, maybe for Easter.
That was my idea.
A bird?
Yes.
And I want to turn these on. Let's see here. These candles are too big for the holder, but this is all I could find. Put one on this side. It'll sit straight. Oh no, that's not straight. Oh well, I'll fix it. And then I've got this sign. I don't know where I got it at. I think I must have got it at a thrift shop or something. But I'm just going to prop it up right there in the middle. Here, I think that one looks better. Okay. And that's that. Okay, guys, I'm sorry that was kind of a really thrown together video because my first one screwed up somehow. I don't even know how it screwed up, but hopefully this one will work. So I want to get busy and download it, and hopefully I can get it up in a few minutes for y'all to see. So, hey, y'all have a good weekend, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye-bye.